So we're going to look at the science, the physics, and the chemistry behind how glow sticks work. And it's not magic, it's simply just light. Glow sticks, sometimes called light sticks, while it may seem like supernatural magic, the technology behind glow sticks is actually very simple. We can get light with no bulb and no battery. Light is a form of energy, which can be emitted through a variety of processes. Incandescence, the emission of light due to heat. Fluorescence or phosphorescence, the emission of light in response to radiation energy. Or laser generation, the concentrated emission of light using a simulated emission. So what is happening? Well, by breaking the glass tube inside the plastic tube, a chemical reaction takes place. Shaking then allows the glow stick to mix the two compounds, the liquid solutions, together to increase the surface area of the reaction. The glow stick itself is just a house for two liquids, two different solutions involved in the reaction. It is portable chemistry and physics with visual effects. Once you bend the stick to break the inner material, the chemical reaction begins. So how does it work? What's taking place? Well, all the processes work on the same basic principle. An outside source of energy excites atoms, causing them to release particles of light called photons. For example, when you burn something, heat energy causes the atoms that make up the materials to speed up. When atoms speed up, they collide with each other with greater force. If the atoms are excited enough, the collisions will transfer energy to some of the atom's electrons. The electron will be boosted to a higher energy level, further from the nucleus. When it falls back down to the original level, or ground state, it releases some of its energy in the form of photons. A glow stick does the same thing, but uses a chemical reaction to excite the atoms. So here's what we have. We have these two different materials inside the glow sticks. When they react, it kicks an electron to a higher energy state, and then it falls back down. In the falling back down, it emits a photon. The reaction between the liquids, or compounds, causes a substantial release in energy, just as that in an incandescent bulb. Atoms in the materials are excited, causing electrons to rise to a higher energy level, and then return to their ground state. When the electrons return to their normal levels, they release the energy as light. This process is called chemiluminescence. By mixing the red, the green, and the blue colors that we did in our glow stick lab, we can observe the additive color process. Well, what happens if we were to heat up the glow stick? Well, heating a glow stick accelerates the chemical reaction, causing the dye to emit a brighter glow, greater energy. So the light stick on the left has been activated and kept at room temperature. The glow stick on the right has been activated and placed in hot water for 1 minute. Notice the difference in the total intensity of light.